If you are using Logitech's G933 series headphones, you might experience an issue where the headband becomes crushed. This video provides a guide on how to repair it using the original plastic buckle. These parts are compatible with all Logitech G series gaming headsets. This is a new pair of plastic buckles. The right and left sides are different, which is critical for holding the headband. If your Logitech headset has a problem like mine in the video, you can easily fix it by purchasing a plastic buckle from the link below the video.